Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx 2D tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to draw quadratic curve. So, if you see here, this is quadratic curve 1, and what you are seeing in the bottom is the second quadratic curve. And both share same start point as well as end point. And if you see, both are filled with some specific color, and the curve, if you see, start and end point, they both are fixed based on the control point. So we can call this as a control point 1, and this will be control point 2. So the curvature is based on this control point. If you see, start point and end point of a line is fixed. When control point stretches that, you will be getting a curve. So, and if you see, if this is the center point, the curve will be generated in half of the distance from the center. But if this CP is moving left or right, you will be getting a curvature somewhat differently. Like if this is 2 or the start and the end point, here the control point is exactly in the middle, so you will be getting a curve like this. But if a control point is here, you will be getting curve like this. So the control point location decides how the curve will be, and the curve's start and end point is fixed, and its curvature behavior depends on where the control point is located, as well as start and end point, we can say. So if you see here, first we are constructing the quad curve object. We are doing this for the up tilt. Up tilt means for this curve, first we are drawing. So set start x 50, start y 250. From x, this distance is 50, and from y, so this is how we specify the start and start point based on x and y coordinate. So 50 comma 250, that's the point here. Next, quad curve 1 dot set end x 850, set end y 250, and you can see this is the end point. Then we are defining the control point, set control x 450, control y 50. Let's say that comes somewhat here. So curve, if you see, it passed through this center and mid portion. So color black, and you can see that here, and the stroke width is 5, pen thickness for this curve is 5, and set fill, we are filling the orange color, and you can see that here the fill color is orange. Next, we are doing the second quad curve QC2, that's in the bottom. Set start x 50, 250 same, end x 850, 250 same. Control x is changing, so this is the control point CP1, and this is a CP2. Control point we are changing, start and end location is same, but based on control point, if you see, This time the curve is down tilted. So previously it was an up tilt, now it's a down tilt. Color same, width same, and fill color is blue. Previously we used fill color as orange, that's what you are seeing here. Now fill color is blue, so that too is filled here. Alright, now let's go to the demo and we draw this quad curves. Now we will copy this previous example. Right click on the package name and do paste, refactor copy. This time we will name this example as quad curve. So this is part of previous example, right? 6.1. We will remove that piece of code. Quad curve drawing. So the code was already explained in the PowerPoint slide. So if you see, this is the up tilt quad curve. We will build this solution. If you see, we build two quad curve. Quad curve 1, we are setting all the parameters start x, start y, and x and y, control point, width color and fill color. Then for down tilt we are doing the same. Then from root we are getting the children and we are adding our two quad curves. Let's run our sample. So if you see, this is our quad curves. There are two quad curve. Since we set the fill color, you will be seeing orange and blue drawn in the curve. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.